Hi boys and girls, it's Miss White. Today we're on lesson 101 and it looks like this. Make sure you have it and your name is up on the top. We are going to start how we always do with our letter sounds. They're not as easy as the last time, I'm going to tell you that. Not that they're hard, but it's more writing. Last time we had really easy ones, didn't we? Number 1 is I. So that's I, consonant E, comma, I, or is it final sound Y? Number 2 is K. That's K, comma, C, or as a final sound, CK, K, KE, or C. Number 3 is So that's just a U, or remember that schwa A we have, so we can put A. Number 4, R. That's AR. Number 5 is OW. That's OU, or as a final sound, OW. Number 6 is A consonant E, comma, A, or as a final sound, AY. Number 7 is O. That's O consonant E, comma, O, or as a final sound, OW. Number 8 is U. That's U consonant E, comma, U, or as a final sound, UE. Number 9 is S. That's S, comma, C, or as a final sound, SS, SE, or CE. And last, number 10 is shun. That's that final stable syllable, TION. Make sure you have all of these down before we move on to practice spelling a couple of words. Number 11. Find 11 on your paper. We are going to spell out. It's that OW sound at the beginning of a word, so O-U and T. Number 12 is about. Again, that OW sound is in the middle, so B, out, about. All right, make sure you have those two down, and we're going to move on to our new digraph. All right, our new digraph. Let's look at these words. We have pause, auto, and fault. It's making that aw sound in the middle. Do you see what two letters? Aw. It's AU. This is our new digraph, AU. And when we code a digraph, we underline it, so that's why I underlined there. All right, we're also going to look. We're not. Let's practice spelling a couple words like this. First word is caution. So we're going to go to number 14, or I'm sorry, number 13, always happens, number 13. Our aw sound is AU. AU. And our picture card for that, Miss White's missing the picture card, so sorry, but it's on the front of your paper. It's right there. Do you know what that is? Kind of looks like a sink. It's a faucet. So when we see that picture, we'll know that's faucet, AU. It makes that aw sound. Number 14, let's spell the word caution. So we have K, and then we have that aw sound, AU, and then our final stable syllable, shun, TION, caution. Number 15, August. August is a month, right? So we're going to capitalize it. We have that aw sound, A-U, and then G-A-S-T, August. And lastly, because. B-E-K, that aw sound, S, because. All right, make sure you have these 4 things down before we move on to coding. right, number 17 is fault. We're going to underline our digraph, and that's all we're doing there. Number 18, pause. In pause, are you hearing that E at the end? You're not. We're going to mark it off. And then we have our digraph AU underlined. Number 19, haul. Underline our digraph, and that's all we have to do. 20, sauce. Underline that. Again, we're not saying the E. And let's look at that C, sauce. It's making that soft C, so we draw that little like little 5 kind of shape underneath of the S, because it's a soft C. 21, and you could say it with, like, if you weren't sure what the C said, you could say sock, and that wouldn't really be a word, sock. So we know it's that CE soft C sound, sauce. 21, caution. The final stable syllable, T-I-O-N. We have our A-U, and then a K back on the C. All right, that's it for this group. We are going to draw a line to the picture that it matches. It's a little confusing. I think what it's pointing to in that picture, maybe there's like a ketchup next to it, and that's what's on there. If you're really confused, you could read the other words and kind of see which one matches. 22. Lunches. Here we have a suffix, ES. We have our digraph CH, we're going to underline, and our U gets a brev. 23, lobster. Do you guys like lobster? Miss White doesn't like lobster. I don't like any kind of thing that comes out of the ocean or water, but a lot of people like lobster. Here we have our vowel, consonant, 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 vowel. Let's look at our word, lobster. We're going to draw our line here. Here's our ER combination, and our O gets a brev. 24, succeed, succeed. Ooh. Here we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, so it's going to go right in between our two C's. Our U gets a brev, and then our E's are underlined. That's our digraph. We cross off the second E, and the first E gets a macron. 25, rotate. Here we have vowel, consonant, vowel. So our line goes here. Our O says its name because it's like open. And then here we have vowel, consonant, E. Our A gets the macron too, and our E goes away because it's sneaky and it ran off. 26, pilgrim. We have vowel, consonant, 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 vowel. Here we're going to read the word pilgrim, so it's going to go after our first C. Our vowel consonant, our I gets a brev. Vowel consonant, our I gets a brev. All right, make sure you have all this down, and we'll move on to the back of your worksheet. On the back of your worksheet, you are going to read that paragraph and answer the questions like you always like. You're used to that. We do that a lot. Make sure you really read the paragraph well and ask for help if you need it. All right, I'll see you on the next video.